Hey y'all, so I finished my doctor's appointment and we're not going to do surgery right now. I am getting more strength in my leg. In order to, I guess you could say, justify a meniscus replacement, they pretty much want you to be a lot worse, which is not cool at all. I'm trying to prevent that, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I do have better range of motion. I do have more strength in my leg. And of course, I've been walking the monster, so that helps. And using trekking poles because that takes pressure off the knees. So I will see him in another 6 weeks, and we'll see where we're at and how it feels. But right now, we're not looking at surgery because I look at it like this. Of course, you know, the way you see it may not be how the protocol is, right? So it's really thin on the left side. And so I'm thinking, so it's going to, progressively get worse. So why don't we just replace it? But unfortunately, that's not how it goes. A lot of times with medical procedures and protocols, they want you to be unbearable before they even consider that, which is kind of crazy because I want to prevent that. But like I said, it doesn't always work the way we think it should. All right. So, hi. So as you guys know, ticks are horrific this year. Horrific. And even though Milo had medicine on him, and even though he is sprayed down with the peppermint, he was still getting them a few on him. They're stubborn as hell, okay? So what I do is I spray him down before he goes out. And if I see any on him, I will spray them, which the spray that I use is called Vet's Best. And it's a green bottle. You'll find it on Amazon. It's got high reviews and it's been rated very high too. So he will occasionally get them on him. And unfortunately, I was using tweezers, and that sometimes pinches him accidentally. And so he got to the point where when he saw me with tweezers, he's telling me no. He starts barking and being defiant. So I got this little gadget. See how it's got a little V in there? Okay, this is how it looks. Okay. And I got that on Amazon. They come in a 3-pack, and I will be getting more. Okay? It works like a dream. So let's just pretend I have one on my neck. Ew. But let's pretend. Let's say it's right here. You take this spoon and you get as close to it as you can. You don't have to dig into your skin or hurt your skin. And then you just pry it right off. So when I spray it, it incapacitates it. So while it's incapacitated, I go ahead and scrape it off with this. So this is no different than rubbing it again. Like if you rub it against your skin, it's the same thing. When I take it off of him, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't cause pain, it doesn't pinch his skin, none of that, okay? So on the handle itself, it says ticked off, so I think that's the name of it, and 3 come in a pack. Ticked off, okay? And it's basically a spoon with a V in it. And it works like a charm. You use the V, you get as close to the skin as you can, and you scoop that sucker right off of there and dispose of it. Okay? Best thing ever. So I don't have to hurt his skin anymore, and I've used it a couple of times and he doesn't flinch, it doesn't bother him. He's good and I'm good. So I know I'm not hurting him. So anyway, that's the update. Like I said, in another month or so, another 6 weeks approximately, I will see him again, and we'll see what the progress is on it. And thank you, hon. Thank you. And we'll take it from there. But he likes the range of motion, like I said. He likes the strength in my leg. I said, I hope you don't kill me, but I've been walking. And he goes, no, you're fine. Because I said, like I told him, I don't want my muscles to atrophy. So the walking, I didn't get in trouble for walking, but I do use the trekking poles, and that does help. It takes the pressure off of the knees and other parts of the body, so it works well. So if anybody who hikes a lot, consider getting some trekking poles because it works like a dream. It works really, really, really well. And it takes practice getting used to doing it the proper way, but it makes your life easier. It really does. And it takes pressure off your knees, which is good. All right, you guys take care. Talk to you later. Bye.